Slowing down. Might have to do a touch of El Splito Alano, which is lane splitting in Spanish. El Splito Alano, yeah. And this is my new button. Beep, beep. See this little button right there? I can't tell you what it does, not yet. Ladies and gents, I'm in freaking tourist hell. Come on, mother papa, mother pearl, move your sweet banana. What are you doing? All right, here we are on the freaking road again. Sweet succulency of a weeping Christ. Can't ride here. Too many places to go. There we go, green light, yes. Oh man, I'm so happy to be out of work. I had a long freaking day today, I tell you what. Super long. I am tired. I am tired. That was a dangerous move. Probably not the most smartest. Here we go. Come on, buddy. Jeez, I haven't said a goddamn thing so far. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's a goddamn Monday, and it's end of work. Whoa. End of work day on Monday, and I'm cruising like a mofo. I'm cruising like a mofo. There's no message in this vlog. Just speed. Just speed and goings. The plan was to do a vlog in Russian for my Russian folks, but I forgot about that. So now I'm doing it in English. Oh brother. What are you doing? Son of a potato basket. People are just switching left, right, center. Nobody cares. And look at this shit. We're just gonna go ahead here. A little one of these maneuvers. Downshift, leading to the left. Yes, yes, yes. Oh man, I like a commute like this. With no more fucking traffic up in this. Yes, this makes me happy. So yeah, I had a super productive day. A lot of shit done at work. Great feels. Maybe I don't hate my life after all. It's gonna be okay. Slowing down. Might have to do a touch of El Splito Alano, which is lane splitting in Spanish. El Splito Alano, yeah. And this is my new button. Beep, beep. See this little button right there? I can't tell you what it does, not yet. Soon. If you could tell me what you think that is in the comments, you will be really cool. I'd really appreciate it. Look at this shit. We're in traffic, dead stop traffic, and these people have like 3-car gaps in between each other. Why? Like I always say, they're just not trying to get anywhere. You know, I'm trying to get somewhere, and these people are just cruising. They're just having fun. Can't really blame them for that, though. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, little gas tank. Come on, little Ducati. And yeah, riding with one hand in traffic is stupid. Because I'm gonna have to, if I need 2 controls, I'm gonna have to move my hand. Oh well. Alright, well, I'm just gonna get ahead a little bit. Here we are. That was a little baby split. And of course there's a school bus. And of course there's a popo on that side. Sweet succulency of a gentle weeping Christ. Gentle weeping Christ. Come on, folks. Move it or lose it. Please be patient. I'm a student driver. Blue lives matter. Too many fucking stickers, you know? It's like, if you're a student driver, you should probably focus less on fucking stickers on your car and more on driving. Like, look, there's literally a sticker on the gas tank. What does that one say? Can't even tell. Some fucking cheesy thing. Some sort of cheesiness here and cheesiness there. I bet this person is not even a student driver. They're just like scared. That was a nice little blast. Gotta get through here. I don't think anybody's turning. I think I'm alright. That was a little bit of an aggressive little maneuver, but you know, aggressive maneuvers pay the price. I mean, pay the bills. I don't know what kind of bills I'm trying to pay here, but how about this? A vlog, non-vlog, just a cruise, a fast potato. You know what I mean? Sometimes the ride is just a fast potato. There's no message. It's just a potato. So the name of this vlog is Fast Potato. Look at this person. Where are you going? Okay. There we are. Fast Potato. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Great times as always. Great time. Bye bye.